Hey everybody, Bo here with an update on our 6x14 cargo trailer conversion, rolling thunder, cabin on wheels, gourmet kitchen in the front, and cantina in the back. Hey, I wanted to give you a little update. We made it up to the mountains and back. I'll probably put some pictures in from up there. I didn't do a lot of video. It was a little bit of a alone time with the wife at my favorite place, the yacht club. But we got to cook in the kitchen, and man, we had 3 pans going. I did sausage, peppers, and onions, a little garlic, and made some Pittsburgh style hoagies. We had some rice, and then the next morning we had peppers and eggs and sausage. I think that's going to be a nice little tradition. The refrigerator, I use an ice block in the freezer. So if you have, if you want to try and get a cheaper refrigerator like I did, I picked this one up for about $100. Got plenty of space. I can't tell you how nice it was to have everything in it. It's empty now, of course, but I had orange juice in there on the side and all the condiments and the produce. And then I keep a gallon thing in here, and I can get 4 days out of it. And we did find out that we use 5 gallons a day of water. I could probably be a little more conservative than that, but 5 was what we went through normal cooking and cleaning up and all that good stuff. This airflow with the back open, I couldn't imagine without it. I really, really love it. It is so nice. And the airflow just cools this thing off, and then you shut it up and it's perfect. So today what I'm going to do is I'm going to put up this blackout curtain, and I'm going to make it so that it can tie up and stay out of the way, and it'll add a little accent to that. And then also a tie for the screen, so we can just tie that up also. But I think that blackout's going to work out good, because if you open up the back, sometimes the sun hits the bed and it's annoying if you're laying in the bed, so you'll be able to pull that down but still get a little bit of air. But so thought I'd share this with you and show you what I'm going to do, and away we go. So I got these tacks. I'll show these to you if you can see that. A little tiny, but these things, they push in really easy. These came with the magnetic screens, so I'm going to use these, and I'm going to make this go across so that it can also be tied up, and I'm going to put these in from the back. Got this at Walmart, $10, blackout. Seems to be decent, quality. Price was right. And then I'm also going to use shoestrings. So I'm going to have one that's going to be for the screen, and then I'm going to have another one that's going to be just for this blackout, and it'll be in front of the screen. And these will be the tie-ups, and these are just good old shoestrings, Kiwi. And I'm using 36-inch, so 3 feet. So wish me luck. I think this is going to turn out, I think it's going to look sharp when it's done, so hopefully you'll like it. It's another idea. Like I said, airflow, all about airflow. Open this up during the day, and it's fairly comfortable in here, and then of course you got the fan, but that uses a lot of juice. But here we go. it's kind of a rough deal. The shoestring's pretty easy. I put screws on the back of that board and then tied the shoelaces to that and brought them down. I have to work that out to make it look a little bit more prettier, but I think it's going to serve the purpose. It's nice when it's down. It's a blackout, and I can have the back open while somebody's sleeping on the inside. So there's another idea for you. Love the airflow though, I'm telling you, with the back open and the front and side and the windows, it all works out really good. So no AC needed. And the reason that I like it this way is because I boondock most of the time. So I need everything to be as efficient as possible. So there's another idea, magnetic screen with a blackout drape. I'll play with it, see how it works out, see how we like it. That's the whole thing, is you got to use these things a little bit and then tweak. I do got to say that storage space above the curtain there is perfect. We throw our blankets up there, extra pillows, and the bed's really comfortable. I had to take out one of the pieces because it was about 8 inches too long, and if I folded it, it was 4 inches that I needed. So I took it out. Now we have a flat surface and the bed is way comfortable. 4-inch memory foam with nice comforters, skirt, and nice sheets, and you get in this bed, you get a good night's sleep. And that's the thing I'm always lacking when I'm on the road, sleeping on the ground or whatever. And it seems like every time I do an air mattress, it has a hole in it and I end up on the ground. There's your update. Again, this is Bo with our 6x14 cargo trailer conversion, Rolling Thunder, gourmet kitchen in the front, cantina in the back. Hey, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Questions, comments, love them, please leave them, and we'll talk to you later. See ya!